All right, so gangsters.
Hi.
We did a thing.
We did. I'm always, I like cool and unusual things. And so we found a cool and unusual thing.
Cool.
It's called an ORU Kayak. It's the Inlet, which is the smallest one they make. But it'll hold 275 pounds, which is more than two of me. So I think I'll be fine. Once I get used to unfolding it, you're supposed to be able to unfold it and get it ready to go in like under 5 minutes. And you can put it in the trunk of your car or under your desk at work, or you can even check it on an airplane and take your kayak with you when you travel. So there was a sidewalk sale at REI and we got a great discounted price, like incredibly discounted price. And we've talked about having a kayak for years, so we're camping on a lake. It's time. It's just time. So I got a nice PFD and saved a fortune on that. Those are incredibly expensive. And we got paddles, so all for under $300. So let's see what happens when we try it out.
Hopefully sink or swim. She's going in.
We are going in one way or another, but we hope that we float.
Let's put this thing together.
Yeah.
You're halfway there.
I'm ready.
Bada boom, bada bang.
I'm ready.
She's ready. You're on.
Smile.
I'm on candid camera.
That's right. Okay, so
There you go.
I'm gonna
Don't worry about turning it off.
paddle over there, and you can hand me my tea,
Okay.
so you don't have to get your feet wet.
Okay.
The water is warm.
Oh.
In my paper kayak.
There she goes. right, so you've taken it out on the water. Now what do you think?
I loved it. I've only been in kayaks a few times, but this handled as good as any kayak I've ever been in before. I could turn it on a dime. It backed up very nice. It was easy to get in. It's definitely really light, so it if you don't have good balance, you might feel like it's wobbly. And I was out near the no wake signs on the lake where the boats are supposed to not be making a wake, and you know, when I got like this, so I had to turn to the waves so they wouldn't make me nervous. But yeah, it was great. I loved it. I am so excited that I got it, and I can't wait to continue using it. So I will use it again tomorrow for sure while we're still at the lake. Yeah.
Yeah.
I got a nice, what do you call it? I got a nice life jacket, and I will wear it, even though I used to be a WSI Red Cross teaching water. I got a nice PDF, right? PFD, personal PFD.
Hey there, I'm Mark, and that's Pam. We're the Runaway Gang. Be sure and join us on our next adventure.